Hello. Today we're going to be solving quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation is presented by this equation where it's a to a which is the variable to x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c. Okay, so the highest variable is just power 2 and which is quadratic and it takes the shape of essentially a U shape. It can be an upside down U right over here if it's negative, or it could be a normal U shape like this. Typically, in most exams or tests, they will want to ask you to solve. They will ask you how to solve quadratic equation. And so they'll probably give you something like this: solve for x. Okay, and it might look tricky, but that's the trick to it to like help solve. So essentially, we find out what numbers add up to 30. Sorry, not add up to 30 times 30. Like so, like what number times another number becomes 30. At the same time, these two numbers, if added together, must also be equal to negative 11, right? So we could think mm, negative 6 and negative 5. When you add them together, you get negative 11, and when you times them together, you get 30. Because they're both negatives, they become positive, right? And then you put them in essentially factorized form: x minus 6, x minus 5 equals 0. Then you can solve for each. Done, right there. It's as simple as that, guys. See ya.